This video is to show the setup and use of Zacuto's Sony Z300 Z-Finder. Start by disassembling the arm lock. Remove the 2 thumb screws and 2 hex screws, separating all 3 parts. Unfold the monitor and raise it vertically. Take the X-shaped part and orient it on the inside of the right angle of the monitor arm, with the Z on the top and facing out. Next, take the half-circle part with the thicker ends and connect it with the X part using the thumb screw. Leave it a little loose. Repeat with the second half-circle part using the thumb screw. Leave it a little loose as well. Tilt the monitor forward and screw in the hex head screws to the bottom of the arm lock. Screw these down tight. Make sure the thumb screws are loose when doing this. Test the articulation of the monitor arm with the thumb screws loose, and that the arm is locked when the thumb screws are tightened. Take the brake mount, orient it with the Z up, and slide it onto the arm, engaging the pins into the arm lock. Next, take the monitor mount, snap the Z-Finder onto the frame, unlatch and open it slightly. Now, slide the Z-Finder assembly onto the monitor until it clicks and stops. Engage the red tilt lock and close the Z-Finder onto the monitor. And you're done. Here you see the tilt lock and arm lock in action.